Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my new video. Let's learn some colors name. Red color, yellow color, brown color, light pink color, sky blue color, violet color, orange color, light green color, blue color. Let's learn alphabets A to Z. Alphabet A. A for art. A for art. K. K for kite. K for kite. S. S for soap. S for soap. V. V for vulture. V for vulture. B. B for banana. B for banana. M. M for mango. M for mango. P. P for pineapple. P for pineapple. Z. Z for zero. Z for zero. E. E for eggplant. E for eggplant. C. C for carrot. C for carrot. N. N for nut. N for nut. O. O for orange. O for orange. X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. D. D for dictionary. D for dictionary. J. J for jackfruit. J for jackfruit. Y. Y for yard. Y for yard. H. H for house. H for house. F. F for flowers. F for flowers. R. R for rest. R for rest. G. G for grass. G for grass. I. I for ice cube. I for ice cube. L. L for lemon. L for lemon. T. T for teacher. T for teacher. W. W for wall. W for wall. U. U for university. U for university. Now let's revise the alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U V W X Y Z. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel. Bye bye.